Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Marini Rock. So today I'm gonna tell you all the stuff you guys need, all the skincare and makeup you guys need to make your skin uh, glow, and all those adjectives you gotta want your skin to look like. So first of all, we're gonna show you a skincare pouch and a makeup pouch. Very little products are there for the makeup because we're just gonna tell you some basic ones, and we have a skincare or makeup slash makeup pouch. So first of all, we have a face wash pouch. This is says face wash. So we have the orange neem and aloe vera face wash. On the packaging, the claims are meant to say that this one is made for normal to oily skin, all skin types. I'm having combination skin type, so don't know for the other two, normal to oily and the other skin types, but I'm having combination skin type, and this is the best one out there. I love this one, and also because this one is the mildest one. Also, I'm having sensitive skin also. Usually most of the face washes don't make my skin very dry or there are breakouts on my skin. This one does none of those, and this is really good. This is soap and paraben free. And yeah, also guys, I'm also telling you all the pros and cons. So there's no con for this one. I'll straight away tell you guys that there's none for my skin type, combination skin type, and for sensitive skin there's no con for this one. And I won't tell you guys that get this one only. You guys have all different skin types, all different, you know whatnot. So you guys can have your I'll tell you the tips to buy face washes. First of all, look for your skin type. Second of all, which is common, like if you're having oily skin or if you're not having oily skin, look for a oil free or oil balancing formula, which is this face wash is even having. Also look for a soap and paraben free one. So yeah, these are the 3 tips I would like to give to you guys for the face washes. And if you're having sensitive skin like me and combination skin type, you should totally try out this one. This is so good, and this is the mildest one. This is the mildest face wash which I've ever used. So yeah, this is orange neem and aloe vera face wash. Next we have cleansing waters, toning waters, toners, or what all you guys want to say. So we are having one for all those purposes. We are having gulabri, we are having rose water. This is the Dabur gulabri. So guys, I personally prefer these ones because they are affordable. They are even, although I know that some other toning waters are also very affordable, but they are not so, you can get these ones in any store. So that's why I love to use these, and they are totally cheap and they work pretty good for the skin. Also, some of you guys love to use, or if you guys are I know that some expensive toners would work equally good, which I have experienced also, that they work totally so better than these ones, but these ones are cheap and they work pretty well. Also, these work for all skin types, and these ones are having a natural glow in them. So I like to use rose water. You can use any. I love to use gulabri. I like to go in with gulabri. guys, now I'm gonna use the toning water or the famous rose water, the Gulabari, Dabur Gulabari. So I love using. You guys can use. You guys can even use it on under your eyes or things with a Q-tip or something. But you can even use cotton balls. But I like to use the square or the rectangular cotton pads. They're really soft and they're best to insert some product in your skin. So I'm just going to take some. So we have a bit of product. So I'm just gonna and also the products that I mentioned in the makeup essentials video, I'm having similar products right now. I'll show you similar products which I have in my skincare pouch. Also, guys, now I want to tell you about this product, some more things about this product. This product is so good that this product will mattify your skin first of all. If you wanna keep your skin a bit more dewy, if you wanna mattify your nose and all, so yeah, this is good for you guys. And yeah, so the next product is a moisturizer. So we have two categories. First of all, I'm gonna tell you about a very gel finish moisturizer. This is the Pond's Super Light Gel. Yeah, is that visible? Yeah, that is. So this is a non-sticky glowing formula for your skin, and this includes of hyaluronic, whatever you call it, acid plus vitamin E. So I have a little bit less because I use this very much. So I'm just gonna show it, give a swatch to you guys and show you the actual moisturizer which I'm gonna use right now. Yeah. See, there you go. It's a really nice moisturizer. You can use it for your face, or you can use it for your body. And this is an oil-free moisturizer. That's the best thing about this one. Also, I'll be telling you the prices of each and every product at the end of this vlog or the video. And the next moisturizer, which I totally love, is the Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Brightening Day Cream with all the sunscreens. I guess you can't find a better moisturizer. You guys can even use like sunscreens for the daily skincare if you have to go out or what. So you can use a sunscreen, but I would totally prefer this one. You can use it when you're at home, when you're going out, wherever you're going, you can use this. So this one is the one I'm going to use on my face. This is having such a moussey texture to it that you can just grab like little bit, like how much I am having, and it can be used for your whole face and your hands. Let me show it to you guys. Wait, I'll just grab a mirror. I'll grab a mirror. It is so it spreads really well, and yeah, it's like it not only moisturizes your skin, like some of the moisturizers have this thing that they moisturize your skin at once when you use it, and then the moisture is gone. But no, this one is not having that effect to it. So yeah, and purposely you can use it on your nose also. And this is a very mattifying one, so I'm using it on my nose also. So I need a little more of this, because I would like to mattify my nose a bit, because also uh, people with all the people out there with combination skin type, the T-zone is very oily, so I recommend to put extra product of this one, and I would like to recommend them this moisturizer. This is the best one. This mattifies your skin like anything, mattifies but moisturize. So yeah, this is a great moisturizer. And also you guys, if you apply toner with hands, you don't have to rub toner. I forgot to tell you, I guess. You don't have to rub toner at all times. You have to just gently slap on your face, little slaps, and you're good to go with the toner. So yeah. My this moisturizer is done, and that's why, yeah, it's a brightening moisturizer, so I better tell you in advance that use it on your neck also, so that there's no before and after effect of a fairness cream sort of thing. So now let's move on to the other parts. Right now I have finished with the whole skincare thing. Although in this pouch, all skincare in this pouch, I am having another box full of skincare. At least it's having some of skincare products. Then I'm having this little clutch. I don't know what's in there, but yeah, I'm having this little clutch. Then I'm having this contour palette. You guys might have seen this in my makeup essentials. I love this, but I'm not going to use it right now. Then okay, I forgot another thing which is important part. This is my favorite moisturizer. I have 3 of my favorite moisturizers with me right now. For the people who are having matte skin, I don't recommend this, because this mattifies after you apply it, but it even moisturizes. You can try it out once. You can use this is the 50 grams. You can try out the smaller one. I have this 25 grams or 30, I don't know, so you can try out that. This is almost over. बिल्कुल हल्का सा product है, but this is so good, and yeah, I'm in love with this. This is the Pond's Light Moisturizer, and both of these went trending on the Instagram page of Pond's. So yeah. Then in this one, I'm having just a compact, and I'm done. I'm good to go with this pouch. I'm having this Maybelline New York compact. So Super Fresh compact. A check. Yeah, a check. The baby one. Okay. Yeah, then we are having this skincare kit. This is a LOL ka, like a suitcase, a trolley, makeup. So yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna tell you what's inside this little cute. Yeah, it's in focus. Now it's in focus. It is. This LOL one, it says open surprise. Okay, LOL surprises, if someone doesn't know, either everyone might know this. So this is how I'm just going to remove the mirror, because yeah. this is how the whole. I'm just going to take off the brushes. There are little cute brushes in there, which are either not of use, but that's totally fine. I loved using them. So there are 12 of powders, eyeshadow, compact, blushes, whatnot. But you can't use these. So I figured out for blushes. So I figured out you can use them as eyeshadows. 16 lip balms, 8 glossies, 8 mattes, and ये जो 12 आपके पाउडर्स और कॉम्पैक्ट और whatever आई shadows और blushes हैं, इनमें से like the one set of 6 is matte and the another one is shimmer. So and we got this little cute brush. ये blush का brush है I guess, and I use it for a crease brushes for eyeshadow. And I'm gonna show you these are the little eyeshadow brushes which I use for lips. So yeah. Also, I'm gonna use a lip balm from in here. What I do is, all these colors have no pigment. So what I just do is this. I'm having this brush. Also, guys, I forgot to show you another thing which I carry in this pouch is this little. Okay, it has to come out first. Okay, it's this little nail kit. These are little nail brushes, like a little cute fan brush for nails. A little polish brush, which I've already used, so I'm not gonna show. A little tiny detailing brush. It's not a brush, but it's a little metal detailing something. Like you can make like little flowers. That's only the purpose I found. But yeah. For this, one you can make like little flowers and little designs. And I love this fan brush. This works so good. And I've already used this for really pretty glitters and all. So yeah. I love this fan brush and all these brushes too. So yeah. Then we have this little lip brush, जो lipsticks का brush होता है. I'm having this one and I use it for lip balms because I don't want to use those little sponge nib applicators or little mababs, whatever you call them. I don't know. They are like little, like so cute. They are like matte colors and shiny colors. I'm just gonna take some and show it to you guys. The shiny light green first. Shiny light green. We'll compare color to color. The shiny light green and the matte. I've cleaned the brush. Yeah, cleaned it. And the matte light green. There's no such shinies में you get glitter on the lips a bit, not very so much amount. So I'm gonna use the matte ones. I am first taking this dark, just like maroon. I hate this color, but there's no pigment, so what's the harm? Blue, green, and yellow. Also, I'm going to take a bit of pink, the glitter one also, the glitter pink. Okay, I'll have to take the mirror. I'll also look there because the mirror is right here. And the big mirror is right here. So, yeah. Oh, I'll grab the smaller one. they are very glossy, and I need more because there was like I took like I just put it right here and just took whatever amount came. Another a smaller one, like a smaller dip was there. So now okay, cool. Okay, great. So this brush is quite useful. I love this brush. Then I'm gonna show you, take the okay. So also guys, comment down below if you wanna if I should make like a little makeup techniques sort of video, techniques from some basic ones. So yeah, tell me. And now I'm just gonna apply some powder on my eyes. I'll go in with this cute lilac. See this lilac right here. I'll go in with this and this little mauve sort of shade right here. I'll just grab both of them. Real Techniques brush by Salmon Neck. This is their base shadow brush. We're gonna grab a little lot of product. Okay, so a little. I took like little. I'm gonna grab a bit more because they are very powdery, so thoda sa I put extra. And they like fly away जैसे मैं brush पे लेती हूँ तो जितना product आता है look at that. Yeah. Okay, the brightness was so much that my eyes look literally white. Yeah, there's like this looks like pink than lilac. I thought it would look lilac because I didn't try out lilac before. Yes, I tried out these pinks for the blush. So I called it blush. These two, like this and this, and I thought that this can be used as compact but wouldn't be used as compact. This probably can be. So eyebrow highlight, and this is a blush brush, but I considered I did like whole eye like with this brush because I use it as a crease brush. So yeah, because I wanted to use only brushes from this, and I use those little cheap not so fantabulous sponge tip mababs. I don't know what to call, so I'll just call them mababs. To or do something on my eye, and then I would just be very sarcastic with it. Also, I want to show you something. I don't have so much of the product. I am taking that old rose water pad we use for the face. I'll be just dipping it in with a bit more of rose water. Okay, we're gonna use it some more. So there's a lot of product now. थोड़ा सा squish करके side में obviously, and मैं oh wait, yeah, it's now on focus. Okay, out of focus. Okay, done. Now, okay, focus went off. Okay, just went. now we're gonna remove the eye makeup, which is not really makeup, just a bit of talcum powder mixed with a bit of my Cool, Jaclyn Hill, Morphe, James Charles, whatever palette you wanna listen, pigmentation, and turned out to be these good or these bad. So yeah, and remember कि eyes के अंदर ना जाए because it would just make your eyes. You can cry after that, you know, because there's a lot of rose water in my eyes. Because I just rub that rose water thing. Just gonna take some under my eyes as an under eye cream, guys. And yeah, you guys can use like an under eye cream also, but yeah, I use under eye creams, but I think you don't really need to use it on daily basis. Why not? You don't need to use. I personally don't use under eye creams, but yeah, you guys can use whatever you want. I just take some of this the Lakme cream and just take it on, bring it on my face, on my under eyes, and just massage it a bit nicely. So okay, yeah. So now I'm going to tell you the prices of each and every product. I'll link all the products down in the description. First of all, the price of this one was, I guess, 160 or 70 or 160. I'll link the link of the product in the description. Toner costed around $100 for, you know, how much for 250 ml. So approximately 100 rupees for 250 ml. Otherwise I'll link it down so you can check it out. And then this little moisturizer, the gel, Pond Superlight gel, costed me around, this is the bigger pack, so this costed me around 300 rupees. Yeah, 300 rupees is the MRP. Then this Pond's Superlight moisturizer, this is the smaller one, this costed around 40 rupees. Yeah, 40 rupees. Then we are having the Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance, and this costed, this is the Brightening Day Cream with sunscreens. This costed around 330 rupees. Then we were, okay, then we have this palette. I don't know the exact, you know, price of this palette, but yeah, I think I mentioned this palette in the previous video, so yeah, you can check out from there. Otherwise I'll surely link it in the description. So yes, and this one I'll link it in the description box below. Until then, goodbye. You guys know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, and the subscribe button would be over here or else here, any two of them, one of the two, I guess, here. Bye.